Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You ever find yourself getting super irritated over something small? Like someone cuts you off in traffic or your coworker leaves the dishes in the sink again. And suddenly you're spiraling, thinking, why are people so inconsiderate? That's actually your ego talking. It's making everything about you. Now, that's not a big deal because you want to be the nice guy. It's a big deal because your ego distorts your perception. But what if I told you there's a simple 5-minute journaling exercise that can shrink your ego, help you stay calm, and make you feel more grounded? Stick around because today I'm sharing a powerful trick to see things from a new perspective and let go of that me versus them mindset. So let's dive in. So, what's the deal with ego? It's that part of your brain that loves to make everything personal. Someone plays loud music at the gym, your ego's like, they're disrespecting me. Your boss gives you feedback, ego says, they think I'm not good enough. It turns you into the victim and them into the villain. Does that sound familiar? Here's the thing. The ego isn't bad. It's just trying to protect you. But it traps you in this narrow lens where you're the center of the universe. And that can make you reactive, stressed, or stuck in a loop of frustration. The good news, there's a way to loosen its grip. And it starts with something called perspective taking. Perspective taking is when you step outside your own head and try to see the world through someone else's eyes, or even imagine what a neutral, unbiased observer would see. It's like hitting the zoom out button on your emotions. And when you pair this with journaling, magic happens. It's like a workout for your emotional intelligence. So, how do you do this? I'm going to share a simple journaling template that you can use anytime you're annoyed, hurt, or stuck in an ego spiral. This takes like 5 minutes, and it's a big thing. So, here's how it works. When something bugs you, like say your roommate leaves their shoes in the hallway again, grab a notebook or your phone and answer these 6 questions. Number 1, what happened? Write just the facts, no drama, just hard facts. Example, my roommate left their shoes in the hallway, I tripped over them. Number 2, what story am I telling myself? Be honest about it, right? Be honest about the narrative that's going on in your head. Like, they're so careless, they don't respect our space. Number 3, what emotion am I feeling? Name it. Anger, embarrassment, feeling ignored. Number 4, what might they be thinking or feeling? This is where you step into their shoes. Maybe I was in a rush and forgot to move my shoes. I didn't mean to cause a problem. Number 5, what would a neutral third party be seeing? Imagine a fly on the wall. 2 people sharing a space. One left the shoes out, maybe distracted. The other got annoyed but didn't say anything. Number 6, what's a calm way to move forward? So this could be, I'll mention it to them kindly, or I'll let it go and move the shoes myself this time. This process isn't about excusing the bad behavior. It's about understanding. And it breaks the me versus them cycle and gives you clarity to respond, not just react. Now, why does this work? Because when you write from someone else's perspective, you're telling your ego, hey, I'm not the only one in this story. It's like loosening a knot that's in your mind. You start to see that maybe your roommate wasn't trying to disrespect you, They might just be stressed or distracted. And that shift is freeing. Here's a pro tip. Add one extra question to your journaling as well. What might I be wrong about in my interpretation? This is a big one because the ego loves being certain, and asking this forces you to question your assumptions, which makes you even more open-minded and grounded. Also, a quick warning. Don't fall into the trap of thinking this means your feelings don't matter. Shrinking your ego isn't about ignoring yourself, it's just about finding balance and clarity. You can still set boundaries or speak up, but you'll do it from a place of calm, not like a knee-jerk anger. So, next time you feel your ego flare up, whether it's a rude driver, an annoying coworker, or your roommate, try this 5-minute journaling trick. It's like a mini therapy session that you can do anywhere. I promise it'll help you feel lighter and more in control of your reactions. It will also enhance the clarity of your thinking. If you try this, let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you want a free downloadable version of this journaling template, check in the link in the description. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.